Your character is on a train, on their way somewhere. While doing something, they hear a voice coming from a passenger a short distance from where they are. And the voice says something. Your character turns their head. That person couldn't have said that. So, what kind of train is it? Who is your character? And where do they go? What does the passenger look like? And who is this person? Who are they talking to? What did the passengers say that made your character react the way they reacted? What was your character doing before? And of course, what happens next? This video uses words without drawings, so that your mind wouldn't be limited to what you saw. Also, I do my best to bring writing prompts that can develop into stories from all genres. Hope you liked it. You're welcome to check my other videos on writing and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!